Man, you know, oh, dang, I didn't even notice this was mine. So you guys can just get a glimpse of how we come in. Glossed up, everything is gonna look really, really nice, man. Okay, so the thing is now, who's gonna look better, man? So both of ours is getting a wide body, huh? Man, so this really a Hellcat, man, or what? Oh, it sounds like a Hellcat. He got a Hellcat motor. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys caught that video yesterday where we pretty much finished off our yellow and blue Miami Harley Davidson, man. I think it's looking good in the garage. We got a whole bunch of stuff done this week already, but today is no bike content, man. We are actually at the homie house. I'm actually in my Lambo. He's about to hop in the McLaren. I'm actually about to drive the McLaren for the first time ever, man. I've never drove a McLaren, nothing like that. And you guys know my guy, Corey SSG, was the first one to put me in a Hellcat, man. So he's gonna be the first one to put me in a McLaren. Y'all know after I got in a Hellcat, I had to go buy one. I hope that's not the same effect on his McLaren, man, but we definitely gonna try it out, man. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. It's time to go, yay, yay. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win a new giveaway, man, you guys know we got our 2020 Silverado paired together for first place with our 2021 CVO Road Glide. So not only do you get a bike, you get a truck to go with it, man. Yes, the dually truck and the CVO together for first place. Meanwhile, second place, man, we got our wide body Hellcat and the matching 2020 Road Glide special. Yes, man, for second place, you get the Hellcat and the bike for second place. So not only do you get a bike and a truck for first place, you get a Hellcat and a bike for second place. Third place, we got a Road Glide. I don't know which Road Glide I want to put up yet, but first, second, and third, you will get a bike. First and second, you'll get a truck and a car. It is a movie. I can't wait. Head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go get you an Everything Regular wallet to be entered in for a chance to win. Meanwhile, man, it's time to hop in these joints and go yay yay for the day, man. But first, before we do that, guys, we're actually about to go check out our Hellcat that we took to the shop the other day to get the wide body. I was trying to drop the video for y'all, ended up deleting the video I was gonna drop, man. So you guys didn't get that part, but we are going up here to Audio Boss to check them out and see if they got a chance to start on the Hellcat and see what's good, man. He got that Hellcat 300 here, man. I think this is the one. That's the Hellcat 300. But we're gonna pull up in that joint and see what's good, man. Can't wait. Let's go up in here and check it out. You can see she's like, oh man, what's going on today? It's been a long day or what?
YouTube come in here.
And she's like, man, some more YouTubers. We don't want to be on camera today. Hey, it's all good. It's all good. It's all good.
I don't mind.
How's it going today?
All right.
Going good? Am I able to go back and check out whatever we got working back here?
What I was doing, he's fixing up a wide body another shop. Here.
Okay, bet. Let's check out my guy Juan, man. We just pulled up to Audio Boss, man. Y'all know what time it is. They got wide body after wide body after wide body. Juan, what's up, man?
Good.
How you doing? He's like, what's good, man? It's been a long day or what?
Yeah.
Oh, dang, I forgot the dog was over there. Man, how you doing, man?
Good.
Good seeing you, dog. Man, you know, oh, dang, I didn't even notice this was mine.
Yeah.
I didn't even look over here in this direction.
I'm just waiting on Chris.
Oh, okay, got you. Okay, bet. So, y'all see he done already started, man. He got the front bumper off. He got the back bumper and everything. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, we about to go wide body, y'all. That's what that mean right here. I can't wait. It's about to be a movie. Y'all see he got the wide body trim pieces for a whole nother Hellcat and stuff right here, but our color is a little bit exclusive. Did we get the wrap yet? Can we get a little sneak peek or not just yet?
It'll be here tomorrow.
Okay, tomorrow. It's all good. It's all good. Well, I didn't want to give y'all the sneak peek anyway. I was just waiting for him to say no. It's all good. It worked out, man. But y'all see here first, man, the SRT with all the oohs and ahs is coming to you, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win this bad boy, man, head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go get you a wallet, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway, man. Like I said, this is second place paired together with a matching bike, a 2020 Road Glide. So you can only guess what the color is going to be, man. I can't wait to see this thing complete. Meanwhile, they got the front bumper off, back bumper off, and all that already. And it's going to be coming together really, really quick, man. So I legit can't wait. I know they're getting cracking up here. And then we do got the rims in the car and all that stuff, man. So we definitely going to throw the oohs and ahs on there. They got a whole bunch of stuff up here they working on. They got the wide body vet. I like this one right here. Nice wide body vet is cool. And then they got the wide body Tesla. How many of you guys have ever seen a wide body Tesla? I only seen a few, and I think it was like on YouTube, man. So y'all see them getting cracking. Y'all know what time it is. We at the place to be in Houston, man. You said the grill? Oh yeah? Oh, you glossed them up, huh? That was pretty quick. So you guys know we got all new trimming and stuff like that. So you guys can just get a glimpse of how we coming. Glossed up everything. It's gonna look really, really nice, man. My guy Juan is about to get us together. I'm telling you, man. All the oohs and ahs. That's how you feeling, man, or what, man? You about to have us killing the Charger game? Cause we about to turn some heads with this one, man. I ain't gonna hold you. So yeah, y'all see he over here getting together, fixing somebody. You still fixing somebody else's work? This the one?
It's about to be done already.
Oh, okay. It actually looked better than it did for sure. It looked way better, man. Y'all should have seen it the other day, man. You know, my guy is like literally fixing somebody else's work right now. But hey, we gonna make it our own today. It's a movie, man. Oh, tell them about this, man, because our Mopar, we like new to the Mopar world, bro. So like, we want to know where this car started off as and where it's at now, because
this car started off on a 2015 Charger, regular V6.
Oh,
so
wow.
Bumpers, everything was swapped out. So
oh my goodness. So you said a V6 Charger.
it was a V6 Charger.
Bro, it looked like we got an SRT up in this joint.
Now it has a 2022 engine.
Ooh.
And with the full computers too.
With the full thing?
Yeah.
All the oohs and ahs? Inside and everything done. Let's see what we got.
Wheels, everything.
Brembo. Ooh, yeah, I like this steering wheel. Yeah. Hey, man, what's it gonna cost to give me one of them, man? I need one of them. I like the carbon fiber and all that. Y'all see he got the full scat pack, everything. He said this was a V6. This was a hell of a V6, man.
2015 basic V6 with
wow.
bumpers. We did the bumper swap.
Wow.
Wheels.
Look, he even got the whole oohs and ahs on there, man. So if y'all can't afford the full 392 shindig, man, at the dealer and all that, man, you know, you can just get the regular V6. Come to Audio Boss. Come check out my guy Juan, man. They gonna get you right.
Same thing with the Corsa exhaust.
Yeah, I was just peeping them. He got the whole Corsa with the carbon fiber diffuser and everything with the wheels, man. So, and he said you actually about to do some more on this, right? It's not done.
Right now we're about to take it all apart, do Widebody, and do some 4G autos on it.
Some 4Gs on it with the Widebody? Oh, so both of ours is getting the Widebody, huh? Okay, so the thing is now who's gonna look better, man? Because he been coming a long way. He got a head start, a good head start.
Yeah, so we're doing 4G, we're doing airbags too.
And airbags? Oh, he might got me beat, gang.
We might wrap it too.
Oh, he might got me beat, man. Hey, Mr. Widebody owner, man, you might got me beat, man. You might got me beat, but I ain't gonna hold you. We got them things in the back of the back, like literally in the back of the back, man. You see the 3 pieces on there with the fat daddy lips? Come on, gang. So we might be even. Depending on what 4Gs he get, we might be even.
It's already here.
Oh, they already here?
3-piece 4G all black.
Ooh, all murdered out, huh? Okay. Hey, man, well, I got the Hellcat. How about that? I got the Hellcat. I forgot. It's a movie, man. Well, y'all see it here first, man. We up here at Audio Boss, man. They got a whole thing of cars coming, and you guys see they already started on ours, man. So I'm not even going to rush them. I actually just was in the area. I was like, here, man, let me check it out. See what we can do. Get some quick footage and stuff, man. So y'all know where the car at. Y'all see it's getting worked on, man. It's not just talk. We about to get this thing on the road, man. He already got the other wide body over here getting it cracking. So y'all can only imagine what ours is going to look like when it's done and wrapped in 100%, man. So Juan, tell them how long we got left. Not no rush time, just realistically.
Hopefully 2-3 weeks.
About 2-3 weeks, man. Yeah. So you guys will see this thing in about 2 to 3 weeks, and it's gonna look freaking great as heck, man. I can't wait. Y'all stay tuned. It's about to be a movie. All right, man. So y'all know bro got the Hellcat 300C, man. So this really a Hellcat, man, or what? Oh, it sound like a Hellcat. Oh, I hear it. It sound zoop, zoop. It sound like mine. That's nuts. That's nuts, man. So how did you start this car off? Because you said the other one was the V6. So did you get this one a V6 too?
No, this one was a 2012 SRT.
Yeah? A 2012 SRT.
SRT 300. So this one had the 6.4.
Yeah?
This one had the 6.4. Then after that, I started buying all the pieces I needed. Right. Bumper swap to the new ones.
Damn.
Bumper cell and everything.
That's crazy. That's nuts. He got the whole Hellcat engine and a 300C. Damn, so in real life, this is a 2012, but in actuality, it's set up to look like the real deal new thing. He got a Hellcat motor, brand new big thing, and I'm sure you got some stuff done to this, because you got the catch can, you got the air breather, man.
Yeah,
you got some oohs and ahs up in there, man, or what? He's like, yeah, I got a little bit. Man, oh, you did the whole inside too.
Everything with the keys too.
Damn, the key too. Look, he ain't playing. What the heck? Y'all see what's going on? SRT all on the seats. Come on, gang.
All the pages.
That's crazy, and everything worked.
Yes, sir.
And everything worked. That's nuts. He got SRT mode and all that. This is crazy, bro. It look good too. Look just like a freaking Hellcat. Oh, and you got the sunroof. You got the Big Daddy up there, man.
Big sunroof.
Let me see what you got, man. Ooh, I like that. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's player. I like that, man. I might have to get one of them. Did that come like that or what?
It's factory.
Yeah, factory. So you got to get a 300 to get that big roof. They ain't got that, man. And them Hellcats, man, you got us beat. You got us beat. Don't tell me you got the oohs and the eyes in the trunk too, man. You know we in Houston. I know y'all do it a little different out here.
Yeah, you have that top trunk.
Oh, man, come on, gang. Ooh, with the boom, boom. You got that boom back there, man. Look, Audio Boss Drip, man. Y'all know what time it is, man. Y'all know if y'all want any Mopar stuff or anything like that in the city of Houston that has to do with Hellcat Mopar, man, y'all come to Audio Boss. He gonna get you right, man. He got the whole trunk pop and everything. Real Houston style, though. With the Hellcat and the Corsa exhaust, all the above, man. That's how you feeling or what, gang?
Got the core, yeah.
Man, so how much it costs for something like, for me to do something like this, a swap like this?
It depends on what your donor you get, but average what you spend, 30K plus.
30K.
30K plus, yeah.
That's extra on top of the car, man. So golly.
And plus you want bag, you want exhaust. That's what
Man, so if you was to sell this thing, it wouldn't be nowhere near what a hell, because this is like rare. You can't buy this. Everybody wants one, but you can't buy it.
Yeah, this one they already offered me 80K.
80, he was like, nah, I can't do it.
Too much time into it, money.
Right.
Way too much time.
That's nuts, bro. Hey, y'all see it here first, though, man. A 300C Hellcat. Can we hear this thing real quick, man? A quick little vroom vroom? Because you got the exhaust on there, man. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you got the joint for sure. Yeah, it sound good. It definitely sound good, man. So you be doing donuts and shit in this thing, or you just be cruising, man? He said, I
raced it.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I raced it. There's no batteries on the side, so people think it's
Okay, hey, man, we might have to try something out, man. You know this, you got the Hellcat, man, but we gonna have to show you a real Hellcat, though. We gonna see who got the fastest Hellcat, the 300C or the Charger. Let's see who gonna go take it. He like, man, I already got it beat. Don't even worry. Nah, it's all good, man. It's all love.
This one will scare you.
Yeah?
Yeah. In my 2020, I mean, I thought it was fast, but when you get
when you put it up against this, it's different, huh?
Yeah, this one
raw.
This one fucking will beat it, even with the weight on the trunk. I mean, he's up
That's
about
crazy.
150, 200 pounds. He's up.
Yeah? Oh, yeah, 200 pounds for the Southern. You got about 2 of them. That's crazy. Yeah, he got the Brembos on there and everything. I like this, man. I like this. So you got any more plans for it, or what? Are you done?
I'm gonna take the wrap off. I mean, the car been built for about 2 years, going in 3.
Right.
Wrapping on it. So I'm gonna take the wrap off, change the color, put the wheels back on, and probably dress up the engine, make it look nice.
Oh, okay, got you. Yeah, now that's sick, man. Yeah, you got a hell of a car here. I ain't gonna hold you. We gonna have to slide when mines get out the shop, man. So. Yeah, he might stall time, try to put some parts on his, hold my car so his car can be faster. I'm telling you. Y'all gonna see what's going on, but when y'all see here first, man, we out here going yay yay. So alrighty guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. You guys seen we went to go check out our Widebody Hellcat, man. That thing was looking dope. We even got a chance to check out a Hellcat 300C. Dope as well, man. Meanwhile, we ended up linking with my guy Corey SSG, sliding around town in them foreigns back to back, man. It was my first time driving them McLaren. Definitely fun. Definitely would do it again, man. I can't wait to see what tomorrow holds, man. If you guys haven't though, man, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate you, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win the new Ooh and Ah giveaway, man, you guys know it is already live. You guys know what we got up next, man. If you don't, here we go, man. We got our 2020 Silverado dually truck paired together for first place with our 2021 matching CVO Road Glide. Yes, man, the bike and the truck. The bike will be on back of that thing when you get that. That's just first place. Second place, we got our Widebody Hellcat with our matching 2020 Road Glide special. Yes, man, the Hellcat and a matching bike. So not only do you get a bike and a truck for first place, second place, you get an opportunity at a Widebody Hellcat and a matching bike. Meanwhile, third place, we got our Road Glide. I don't know which Road Glide I want to put up yet, but you will have a third place and it will be a Road Glide, man. So if you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, man, head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go get you a Everything Regular wallet, man, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Wallet starts shipping out next week, man, so stay tuned for that. Meanwhile, I can't wait to see what's next to come on the channel. If you guys been paying attention, some of you guys already know, man. So with that being said, man, make sure you tune in tomorrow, because tomorrow we're going to go live with the new build on the channel, man. So I can't wait. In the meantime, I appreciate you guys tuning in, man. It's all love at the end of the day. Until tomorrow, man, I will catch you guys on the next one, though, dog. Peace.